Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how did I make these videos with free AI tools. First, go to Gemini AI. It is basically the Google version of ChatGPT. Gemini can create very realistic image for you. So let's start with creating an image. Create an image of Minion as Doctor Strange in a library. So here we have it, a Minion as Doctor Strange. So I think it did the job very well. Now we have to download it. You can press the download button here. After you have downloaded the image, we will now go to Hailu AI. I actually did a tutorial on this AI. You can go and look at it in my channel. So now you can upload an image. So we upload the image we just generated. Now we input the prompt. Minion as Doctor Strange, books in the library flying around by Doctor Strange magic. So basically you can on this button, it will enhance your prompt to make it better. But if you are very confident in your prompt engineering level, you can off it. Then we press the create button and we wait. And we have finished our video. Let's look at the result. Guys, this is amazing. It is basically Pixar CG level already. If you need someone to render this, it will take a while too. So I hope today's video is worth your time. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. It will be a lot for me. Thank you, and I'll see you all next time.